Chapter 4 Moving Charges and Magnetism. The topic number 4.2 Magnetic Force. Before going to take magnetic force, first you should know about sources and fields of electric field. We have seen that the interaction between the two charges can be considered in the two stages. The charges Q, the source of the field, and second one is the produce an electric field E. We know that electric force E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square into R cap. R cap is nothing but unit vector. A charge Q interact with the field and experience a force F is given by F is equal to product of charge into electric field. Already you know the electric field value. You substitute here. So Q into the E value, already you know that one. So you substitute Q R vector divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into R square. Or you can write F vector is equal to Q capital Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into R square into R cap. This is the force of electric field force. Now we will move to magnetic force. Before we will take magnetic force, first you should know about Lorentz force. What is Lorentz force? The total force experienced by a charged particle moving in a region where both electric and magnetic fields are present is called Lorentz force. A charge Q in an electric field E experience the electric force, already you know that one, electric field force Fe is equal to Q into E vector. This force acts in the direction of field E vector and is independent of the velocity of the charge. In this equation there is no V, so it's independent of the velocity. The magnetic force experienced by the charge Q moving with velocity V in the magnetic field B is given by F M vector. There is nothing but magnetic force is equal to Q into V vector cross B vector. It's a cross product. This force acts perpendicular to the plane of the V vector and B vector and depends on the velocity V vector of the charge. Here from this equation the magnetic force depends on the velocity. The total force or Lorentz force is nothing but total force F is equal to sum of electric force and magnetic force. So substitute the value Fe value Q E vector plus Fm value, already you know that one, Q into V vector cross B vector. Here Q is common, you take outside, Q into E vector plus V vector cross B vector is nothing but Lorentz force.